Hi, I'm Gabe, and the holidays are coming up quick. Here at All-Star Telescope, we got some great gifts starting at about $100. Great for kids, beginners, anybody who's interested in astronomy and maybe wants to get their toes wet with their first telescope. First up is the Firstscope. This tiny guy is about $100, and it's made for observing the moon. It's got a list of the moon's features on it, and a numbered map showing you where to find them. If you want to see beyond the moon, then the AstroMaster LT will let you see Saturn's rings and Jupiter's moons. It'll give you an even better view of the moon's surface, and will also give you a pretty nice view of some star clusters too. While still being really budget friendly, the ExploraScope 114 will give you sharper views of Saturn's rings and Jupiter's moons, and is big enough to let you start to see outside of our solar system and see some of the brighter nebula and galaxies. The AstroMaster 102 is like a bigger brother to the 70mm version. It'll let you see farther while still being just as easy to set up. If you want a helping hand to guide you through the night sky, then the Starsense 80 and 114mm scopes will use your phone to give you step-by-step directions. And finally, the Heritage line of scopes represents the best value and the best performance in this category. They're the ones that I tend to recommend the most. Well, that's it for that. If you want any details about any scope in particular, you can check out our product page or check out some of the other videos we've made detailing these scopes.